Waste and overflow is leaking. So we're gonna remove the entire waste and overflow, put a new no-hub band, and then hopefully that'll stop the leak, which it will. I know it will. I thought we were gonna have to cut this stack right here, but man, that would have been a nightmare if we did. Okay, so this is the floor above. And we will have plenty of space. Man, I might even be able to do this alone. Nah.
That'd be good, because I could do something else.
If we had to cut this stack, we'd have to bust all this out too. But let's hope this solves the issue and we don't have to do anything but replace up to the no-hub band.
That's where it's leaking from?
That's what Francisco said, so we'll find out. So you gotta be careful with this, because if you torque it too much, it'll break these. But if you're nice and gentle on it, you can get it to come off. But this is the tool sections, tub twisted tool. And I like to set this on, put that on 1. So it is nice and gentle. And I did exactly what I said not to do. But that's all right. Sometimes that happens. It happens more times than not. Oh my gosh, that was disgusting. So I have another one here. This just grips the sides. This is not as effective, but this one you gotta be more aggressive with. It spins while you do that. You just want to hammer it down in there so it's less likely to spin. And also, you can see they reglazed it. So I'm gonna try to kind of chip away at that if possible. Might there a little bit. Now this sucker will come right off. Still wanna there you go. All right, this thing's so crusty. Not gonna need to cut nothing over here. Literally just pull on it hard enough and it's gonna come right out. Not too bad. Seemed way worse. This is what you call an LA trap. There's LA and New York traps. The LA traps have the union. The New York traps don't. So that's that. Next step. Clean these as good as you can.
Chill up in there.
I used to live in a closet.
I'm gonna live in there.
Yeah. I low-key, my friends used to say I lived in a closet because I had this little tiny room.
Yeah.
Closet. So we set the overflow right here. And I'm gonna have to cut the waste portion of this back a little bit because it's not working. So now we're trying to thread in the waste portion. Everything's set. It's perfect. We just gotta glue that in. No hub bandit. And I get any action shots gluing it in. There's literally no room, but it's perfect. The only thing that I didn't really think through is I should have brought these to right here, because now getting to that is very difficult. So I have this right angle attachment for my drill. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to pull these this way, because then you can get a no hub 5/16 driver in there. But aside from that, I could probably just leave it and it won't leak, but let's try it. No leaks. No leaks. All right, we're out.